Hey guys, what's up? I haven't made a video in quite a while, a couple weeks, so I thought I'd do a video today. Haven't broken anything in quite a while, so decided I'd pick up a box of 2015 Topps Stadium Club and break it live for you guys. So let me get into this. 1 second. Looks pretty nice this year. Lot better. I think it looks better than last year, so 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. There are all the packs. Alright. Let's see what we can get. So let's see. Let me focus this first. It didn't really do anything. Alright, there we go. Matt Adams, Ron Gant, Yonder Alonso, Dellin Betances, and Adrian Gonzalez. 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. Let's see. Julio Teheran, Justin Morneau, Ben Zobrist. Let's see, got a Paul Goldschmidt contact sheet and Maikel Franco rookie. Monty Irvin, Willie Stargell, Russell Martin, Jordan Zimmerman, gold parallel. See, that's not numbered, and Devin Mesoraco. The Chris Bryant rookie in here sells for pretty well, like $10-12. I've been seeing them selling on Blowout. Corey Spangenberg, Orlando Hernandez, Greg Maddux golfing. Oh, nice. Got an auto of Josh Donaldson. Probably the best third baseman in the league right now. Wow, numbered out at 25. Really awesome hit. Josh Donaldson and Gregory Polanco. That's a pretty solid hit for just $20. Wei-Yin Chen for the Orioles. He's on my fantasy team. He's been alright. Let's see what else. Lou Brock, Luis Aparicio. Got a Jose Abreu True Colors. These inserts are really nice. And Joe Morgan. A few packs left. Let's see. Prince Fielder, Jorge Soler, Jay Bruce, John Singleton for the Astros, and Matt Holliday. Yordano Ventura, Jason Worth, Sonny Gray, Yonder Alonso Gold, and Kyle Seager. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we can get that Bryant rookie or something. Ryan Braun, Matt Carpenter, Andrelton Simmons, CJ Wilson, and Jose Abreu. So pretty nice box. I like Stadium Club this year more than I did last year. But awesome hit right here. Josh Donaldson autograph out of 25 for a $20 box is pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Hopefully I have another video for you guys tomorrow or something. Just probably going to be showing off a bunch of stuff that I've gotten in. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.